Britton Alexander, what are you doing in Daddy's office?
Buying Bitcoin.
Buying Bitcoin? All right, carry on. Buy some Bitcoin. What's up, future Bitcoin millionaires? I hope you're having a fantastic day. And I'm here today with my little buddy Britton. He's my 4-year-old. I have 3 kids. I have a 4-year-old, a 7-year-old, and a 15-year-old. And they are so much fun. But this one right here, he is the one who spends the most time with me when I'm in the office working, whenever I'm making Bitcoin investments and doing everything else I do around here. He's the one that is right here beside me because he only goes to preschool for half a day, so he gets to hang out with Daddy a lot, right? And we get to buy a lot of Bitcoin, and we get to show people how to do a lot of different stuff. So what we're going to be doing today is showing you how to buy Bitcoin from Coinbase. And so Britton's already got us started here, but what we're going to do is hop over to the computer, and we're going to walk you step by step through everything you're going to need to do in order to buy your first Bitcoin off Coinbase. And there's a link in the description of this video. So if you click on that link and you buy at least $100 worth of Bitcoin, we're going to get $10 and you're going to get $10. Okay, so we're going to use that $10 to put into Britton's college fund, and we're just going to build it up from there. Okay, so thank you so much and enjoy our tutorial.
We're gonna buy some Bitcoin.
All right, so we're over here at the computer and we are on the Coinbase website, okay? So the first thing you'll need to do is click on the link in the description of this video, and it's going to take you to this page right here, and it's going to tell you that I invited you to try Coinbase, and it'll tell you that when you buy $100 in Bitcoin, then both you and me are going to get $10 of free Bitcoin. And then you'll just fill in your first name, last name, email address, and password. Tell it you're not a robot, and then certify that you're 18 years of age or older. So as you probably have figured out, Britton wasn't actually buying Bitcoin on my account. I was the only one buying Bitcoin, so I haven't actually bought anything yet. So what you'll do after that is you'll come to this screen right here, and when you do, you'll need to verify your account, okay? So that is very simple, and I think that you go under settings, and then it'll be under security here. And so what'll happen is you'll set up your phone number and you'll verify your phone number. And then if you want to further secure your account, you'll go over to your limits. And like for level 1, all you'll need to do is verify your phone number. For level 2, you'll be able to invest higher amounts, and you'll need to verify your personal information. And then for level 3, you'll be able to increase your buy and sell investment limits by verifying your photo ID. And that's as simple as taking a picture of your ID front and back and then uploading it to the system, okay? So verifying your account is pretty simple to do. And once you're verified, you can begin buying and selling Bitcoin, okay? What you can do is over here on the dashboard, you can look at a chart of the hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly price of Bitcoin, okay? So I like to look at the hourly chart, and if I feel like Bitcoin's going to go down, then maybe I'll watch this chart for a few minutes. However, most of the time I'll just go ahead and buy. But if it's really going down, then I'll sit here and watch it and watch it and watch it, and then I'll decide what my entry point is going to be, which is what price I'm actually going to buy the Bitcoin for, okay? So once you have figured out, hey, you know, it's down to like the all-time low for the hour here, and you can also look at the last 24 hours and see if it's up or down. So it's down $341 from yesterday. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to look at the hourly, like I said, because it's down $149.25 for the hour. And then all you need to do is go to the buy sell tab, and you can actually buy Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin right here from the same spot. So if you just want to buy Bitcoin, then you'll just leave Bitcoin selected. But if you want to buy Bitcoin Cash, you'll select that, or Ethereum, or Litecoin. You'll just select whichever one you want to buy. So we want to buy some Bitcoin, and we're just going to select our payment method. Okay, so to link your accounts, you're just going to go under Settings, and then you can go to Linked Accounts. And this is where you can link your bank account or debit card. Now, if you want fastest access to your Bitcoin, I highly recommend that you link up your debit card. However, if you don't mind waiting for around 10 days, you can link up your checking account and you can buy Bitcoin with your checking account. I have both selected just because I have different debit cards and I have one main checking account that I use. So you can link as many accounts as you want to, and all you have to do is click on the link a new account button, and you'll be able to link a new debit card or a new bank account or a wire transfer. Okay, so once you link your account, what you'll have to do is you'll have to verify that account. Now, what Coinbase will do is they'll make a small withdrawal from your account. You'll go on your account and verify that amount. Once you verify that amount, then that account becomes linked. Okay, so you also want to set up your two-factor authentication, and you'll do that under settings as well. And that's about it, really. Okay, so once you decide what price you're going to buy Bitcoin at, like I said, you'll just go to the buy and sell. You make sure that you have Bitcoin selected, and then you select whatever payment method you want to use, and then you can just put in how much. So 500 or whatever it is. Oh, I can't purchase 500 because there's a $300 limit. So if you ever want to know how much of your limit is remaining, all you have to do is look right here. So if I was to buy 300 right now, I would have no more limit remaining for the week. However, as each day passes, a little bit more becomes available. So it's not like you have to wait a whole week to buy more Bitcoin. You just have to wait a day or two to for your balance to build back up. Okay. So like I said, if you want to buy more Bitcoin, use a bank account because you can buy up to $7,500 when you first verify your account. And I think you have to buy at least 1,500 or so in Bitcoin to get a higher limit. So I don't remember where my limit started at. I want to say somewhere around 3,000, but I'm not absolutely positive on that. But the more Bitcoin I have bought with my bank account, the higher my limit has raised. Okay. So you getting all that so far, Britton?
Yep.
Yep. All right, cool. So that's all you have to do. And like I said, you just put in the amount that you want to buy. So if that's 500, you just put in 500 into the USD. And then it'll tell you how much Bitcoin you're going to be able to buy for $500. And then you can choose to repeat this buy every day, week, every 2 weeks, or monthly. So if you're just going to buy Bitcoin, no matter what the price is, then like let's say you want to spend $100 a week, okay? Then you would say, okay, every week buy me $100 worth of Bitcoin, and that's all you would have to do. And so every single week it's going to buy you $100 worth of Bitcoin, no matter what the price is, okay? I like to buy mine manually, so I never set up a repeat buy. But you can if that's what you choose to do. If you're not one of those people that want to just watch the price every second and you just want to keep investing in Bitcoin on a regular basis, then I highly recommend that you set up one of these repeat buys. Okay. So once you have your amount in the box and you have your payment method selected and all that good stuff, all you have to do is click on Buy Bitcoin, and it's going to buy you however much Bitcoin you have in there. So it's going to tell you, okay, you're actually getting $97 and a penny worth of Bitcoin. You're paying a $2.99 fee for a total of $100. Okay. So once you are absolutely sure that you want this amount of Bitcoin, then you just click on Confirm Buy. And once you do that, then it's going to make your purchase for you. Okay. So if you're buying it with your bank account, like I said, it's going to take about 10 days to buy it with your bank account. If you're buying it with your debit card, however, it becomes instantly available. So it'll tell you over here that there is a little bit higher fee. As you can see, it's $384 for your debit card, and you get 96.16 in Bitcoin, but it is available instantly. Okay, so if you don't mind paying like 85 more cents, then you can have your Bitcoin available instantly. Okay. So once you buy your Bitcoin, it's going to become available in your portfolio. Okay. So if you bought some Bitcoin and some Ethereum, then those are both going to show up in your portfolio here. And if you have Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and US dollars as well, then you'll be able to see your total balance right here at the bottom, okay? And then if you want to check on all of your past transactions and all that, then you can just go to the accounts section. You can click on your Bitcoin wallet, and it's going to show up all of the transactions that you've made, okay? You'll be able to just scroll down through there, and you'll be able to look back and see what prices you bought Bitcoin at and all of the different transactions that you've made over time, okay? So that is it. I hope that this helps you. I hope that you're able to buy your first Bitcoin using Coinbase. Like I said, if you click on the link in the description of this video and you buy at least $100 worth of Bitcoin, you're going to get $10, and me and Britton are going to get $10 to put into Britton's college fund. So if you're going to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase, please consider using that link so that we can save up for Britton's college, okay? Britton, is there anything else you want to say before we go, bud?
Hope you have a great day today.
Yeah, we hope you have a great day, and we're going to see you real soon. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you like what we're doing here, and we will see you very, very soon.